at the old railway line in Taidong City, Taiwan.
I'm Gloria.
I'm Ariana.
I feel comfortable and close to nature when I come here.
The old railway line was connected to Taidong's main railway station before it moved. It is 6 kilometers in length.
We can walk along the old railway line from the old train station to the new station.
The old railway line now combines art, cultural, tourism, and leisure.
We can do many things here.
We can see many people taking pictures. Riding a bike. Or taking a walk.
We welcome you to Taidong and to visit the railway line.
Hope to see you at the old railway line someday. Thank you for watching our video.
Goodbye!